This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jerri Bottom. Practically new, main level, low maintenance living in Karns. This charming home in the cul-de-sac welcomes you with its stacked stone facade. Tired of stairs? Kitchen, family room, baths, bedrooms and two-car garage all on the main level. Want a getaway nook? Stairway leads to spacious bonus room above the garage. Open concept floor plan features cathedral ceiling and family room. Kitchen has pantry, island and granite countertops. Right covers patio covering with 15-year warranty installed in June 20. For more information, review the details below or contact Jerri Bottom at 865-566-7045.